In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a division line in Google Docs. This simple yet effective tool can enhance your documents, especially when dealing with mathematical equations or creating educational materials. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Google Docs document where you'd like to add the division line. Once your document is ready, the first step is to locate the Insert option in the toolbar at the top of your screen. By clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of insertion options. In the drop-down menu, look for Symbols. Hover over or click on Symbols, and you'll notice an additional menu that pops up. From this list, select Equations. This action is essential as it prepares your document for entering mathematical notations. After selecting Equations, you'll see a brand new set of options at the top of your page. These are symbols and templates specifically for mathematical operations. The toolbar should now display a variety of symbols and Greek letters. Focus on the fourth drop-down option from the left in this newly appeared toolbar. This section is dedicated to math operations. When you click on this Math Operations drop-down, you'll find several options useful for creating equations. Among these options, you're looking for the first symbol, which resembles the letter A with a horizontal line beneath it, followed by the letter B. This template represents a fraction, where you can place numbers or expressions both above and below the division line. Click on this fraction symbol to insert it into your document. Now you should see a placeholder showing a sample division line with spaces for input above and below the line. To enter the numbers or expressions, simply click inside the top box to type your desired numerator. Once done, to move to the denominator, press Enter. This action will place your cursor directly under the division line, allowing you to type in the number or expression that should appear beneath. It's really that straightforward. You've now successfully created a division line within your Google Docs document. It's a handy feature for when you need to incorporate precise mathematical representations. You might find it useful to practice by trying out different numbers or variables to see how they look. This can also be a great time to familiarize yourself with the other mathematical symbols available in the Equations toolbar, which can make your documents even more dynamic and informative. And there you have it, a quick guide to adding a division line in Google Docs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tutorials.